One algorithm change can erase your reach overnight, years of subscribers gone from the feed. Most creators just accept that risk. There's a smarter way, and it's this episode.
Cost upfront.
Finally, I wanted to know that if my contact list grew, that I would automatically move up a tier. Makes sense, right? But even more importantly, what if I deleted a bunch of contacts and my list got smaller? Would I automatically go down a tier? Well, unfortunately, not. For example, on ConvertKit's pricing page, they say, we'll automatically upgrade you to the next level. But if you search through the support docs, you'll discover that they won't. Okay, whatever, I sent it to him. While I waited for a response, I decided to poke around the app. And I noticed something. It said I was on a trial and it gave me the option to upgrade, which is weird. Remember earlier? I signed up for a free plan, not a free trial. So I clicked the upgrade button just to explore, and Kit was asking for my credit card. Which, you just know some users are going to get tricked by this and think, oh crap, I thought they had a free plan, but I guess.
Context: Kit is ConvertKit rebranded, and those billing gripes are the trust test any pick must pass. So does it? Independent reviewers still say yes, here's why.
Creators love Kit, and honestly, so do we. It's super easy to use, has excellent monetization features, and crushes it at launching newsletters. Oh, and that generous free plan? Huge win. In this video, we'll walk through how to build a subscriber landing page and how to create and send a newsletter, even if you're totally new to marketing.
That's the independent take on ease of use. The next two clips come from Kit itself, so treat them as the pitch, but the features they show are real.
Creator with Kit, you have the freedom to build your business your way, but you don't have to do it alone. What if other creators aren't your biggest competition, but your biggest supporters? With recommendations, you show up in other creators' emails and sign-up flows, so their subscribers could become yours too. By tapping into the trust that fans have for their favorite creators, you can fuel your own growth platform, keeping everything simple and efficient while you increase your earnings. We also have paid recommendations, which is a low effort way to help creators that you believe in while boosting your revenue. Simply by recommending fellow creator newsletters to your subscribers, you earn passive income when your audience subscribes, typically between $1 and $5.
Paid recommendations and sponsorships mean your list can earn while it grows, rare in email tools. Now the question that decides everything: what does it actually cost? Try Kit free. It's the first link in the description, free to start.
Where you can check out in-depth courses and trainings on really how to get the most out of ConvertKit. Next, let's talk a little bit about pricing. So ConvertKit has 3 different pricing plans to fit anyone and everyone's needs. They also have this little slider on their website that asks how many email subscribers you have, so you can see how much ConvertKit is going to cost for you depending on the size of your audience. And what's really cool is that you can have up to 1,000 subscribers and still be on their free plan, which is pretty cool, especially if you're just getting started. It's also worth noting that you can get 2.
Note the different free tier numbers across these reviews. Kit has expanded the limit over time, so check the current cap. Here's the newest benchmark.
Really, really simple and powerful. But one of the best things I love about Kit versus other newsletters is that you can have a full newsletter set up with one email sequence, one user, and one basic visual automation, which you might not even need, for free for up to 10,000 subscribers. Some of these other tools charge a huge amount just to get started on the platform. With Kit, you can get up to 10,000 subscribers for free, and
Kit is the best email platform for creators. Easy to use, monetization built in, free up to 10,000 subscribers. My pick: try Kit free, first link below. Kit is free to try. Use the first link in the description and build your first landing page this week. Then decide if it's worth upgrading.